Hi, in the last segment in the series about Flipgrid, we are going to see how educators can give their feedback to the responses they receive. So, when the educators go to their admin page, they see the number of responses received in the particular topic, and on clicking the topic, they can see the list of responses. So here there is just one response, and this is an active response. This can be hidden if required. And to give the feedback, the educator needs to watch the response first by clicking on the video, and then they can give their assessment according to a grading rubric. Also, a detailed feedback can be typed in the feedback box. So we can type a feedback here, and this feedback is automatically saved and visible only to the respondent. This is not visible to all other members of the grid. As you see, this is automatically saved. And now to give a vibe which can be viewed by all the members of the grid, we go to edit and we give a catchy remark about the video which can be viewed by everyone, and this appears right at the top on the video. Once this is done, we just scroll down and then we have to update this. So scrolling down, we need to update the response, and the moment it is updated, you'll see that appears in the video, and the feedback also shows a tick mark, which means the teacher has given a feedback. The vibe appears here, and this can be viewed by all the students. Next, we are going to see how the students can view the individual feedback given by the teachers. So they type my.flipgrid.com, that is the My Flipgrid page, and once they log in, they'll see a list of their videos, a list of the grids of which they are a part, and then at the bottom they can check out the feedback by clicking on view and just scrolling down, and there the educator's comment can be seen. We also take a quick look on how to add the Flipgrid to the class team. So on clicking the Add tab button, we need to search for Flipgrid, and we have to join or add the particular grid that we require to be added. So we add it with the code. Now we have to enter the flip code here, and in case we do not remember, so we can always go back to the page and check the code that appears right below the name of the grid. There it is. That's the grid. And then we go back to our teams and type the same code there. Microsoft Teams will look up for the grid, and then it'll add it to the channel when we click on save. So when your students or when you want to see the grid from within Teams, you again need to log in with your ID. So once you connect, you can see the active topics, you can see the active responses within your class Teams. So we're just connecting, and here you see this is the name of the grid. There is just one topic here, say hello on Flipgrid, and there is just one response here that appears. So I hope that with this it will be very easy for you to give a feedback to the responses. And from here within Teams, we can also click on our name and then go to this Educator login page straight away. A new browser window will open, and the same managing page will come up. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.